Ever noticed how some crocs float under bird nests with a perfect little pile of twigs balanced on their heads? Like a floating hardware store, birds think it's jackpot nest material drifting by. But you only have to zoom in to see the croc isn't moving at all, just the sticks are right where a beak has to reach. Turns out mugger crocodiles and alligators collect sticks during nesting season, park in shallow water and use them as bait so twig-hungry herons and egrets lean in, straight into the strike zone. Actually pretty smart. First reptile tool use hunting ad twist. When sticks are scarce, the crocs become the only supplier, so every bird has to shop at their mouth. Genius.